Okay, so let me quickly start off with the break even trade that I got on gold. How I hit break even on gold on Friday, October 3rd. Right, it's a Friday market, so just go through my daily analysis. I'll be posting the iCard for Friday, and then you can come watch this video. It'll make even more sense to you. So I predicted gold to be keep on going up, and so that's why you can see on the 1 hour I'm bullish. So on the 1 hour I have made my order block or my point of entry, but I still entered a sell, and this is why. Okay, before you see this, let me take you to this. All right, so you see this. So this is the Asia setup that you keep hearing during my daily analysis, right? I keep saying Asia setup, right? My Asia setup just is very simple. So let's just say Asia on the 5 minutes, it's ranging down. Okay. It's ranging down. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. In that case, the moment Asia session ends, and if price does not take out the low after Asia session ends, like let's just say price is coming down, but after Asia session ends, price does not take out Asia session lows, takes out Asia session high, then I will be targeting sells. Okay, very simple. You've seen this. Similarly, now let's see a buy setup. So this is if Asia session is ranging higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This should be taken in your 5 minutes. On your 5 minutes, if Asia session is ranging high, 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 low, high, low, high, high, low, and the moment Asia session gets over and price does not take the Asia session high, like it's supposed to, going higher high and higher lows and higher highs, and if price takes out the low of Asia, I will be targeting longs. I will be targeting buys. Now let's see the example and the trade I took during Friday. All right, the October 3rd. So in this case, you can see prices in a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then it failed to make a lower low again, right? In this case, we are ranging down. What did we see during the example here? So if we are ranging down and if price takes out the high of Asia, we will be targeting sells. Okay, so that is exactly what I did, stuck to my plan. So the moment I identify that Asia is in a very clear downtrend, I move into your 3 minutes. I'm waiting for Asia high to be taken out right here. And the moment I take it, the moment Asia high gets taken out, I am into the markets. Okay. Now the only thing I'm going to be seeing is a clear change of character, and I just enter on the retest. A clear change of character, and I enter on the retest. I am not checking for a confirmation OB, nothing. I get a very clear change of character, and then I'm just entering on the trade. All right. So this is the trade I did. So I see this is where price clearly takes out Asia highs. So this, let's just assume. So this is the swing low, the swing low I considered for a change of character. All right, the moment price comes in into this region, breaks into this region. So this is the low that I'm considering. And if price takes this out, then I'm taking this, considering this as a change of character. All right. So the moment this happens, there's a change of character, I am just entering on the retest. And the retest was I was planning a trade from the fair value gap that was created. Right? I put the fair value gap, entered 50% off the fair value gap, a little bit above, and put stops above the sweep of this candle. And then I let the trade run. So it was consolidating in the start. And then it was like 1:1, somewhere around this region, right? And then price went back on me. But then I literally held even till all the way till here. I kind of gave up in between. Like I thought, okay, the trade's going against me, so I'll just leave it as it is. But then quickly the trade went into a 1:3. So my setup was for a 1:4, and why it was a 1:4 was, you can see this pockets of liquidity, right? You can see this pocket of liquidity. You can see the trend line lick, and then you can see this swing, beautiful swing right here. And then I eventually, my target was to take buys from this 1 hour region. So that's why I was in a very good sell mentality, right? But I did not close the trade in a 1:2. Let me show it to you. So this was a 1:2. I did not close the trade here. I held it through, but then I set the SL to cost to cost. So the moment the price came back up, I was out of the trade. And if I didn't do that, I would have taken a loss hit. So this is the strategy that I usually follow for Asia. And then I just stuck to my plan and I took the trade. And so here is the journal that I have taken on that day, right? It was a Friday trade. I entered the trade on 1:57 p.m. It was a gold trade. It was sell direction. You can see the entry, SLTP, the lot size, everything, right? And you can see that I made $13.5 with the commissions gone because it's a raw spread account. So I'm taking commissions, and it was $2.70, right? So the setup was an Asia setup on the time frame of 5 minutes to 3 minutes. During the London session, there was the before and after screenshots, and you can now I'll show you the dashboard also. So this is the updated dashboard for my phase 1 of the QT 100K account. $2.70, just like my thing, right? So you can see, let me go through the data. Yeah, so you can see that on third, I've taken the trade, $2.70. But since the trade went to a 1:2, right, you can see the highest equity that I was exposed to. I risked $750. So if I closed it on a 1:2, I could have made like $1,500 on that day. So I would be up 1.5% on my challenge, but that wasn't my plan. So I just stuck to it. It's okay. It was just a break even. So I guess we'll be back on Monday or Tuesday. So that is about it. If you guys didn't understand any parts of this, or want to understand why I did this or why I didn't do this, or something that you want to suggest to me, do comment. And if you want to DM me personally or connect with me, you can always follow my Instagram. The link is in the description. And you can also DM me through the free trading group. The link is in the description. There's just one link, click it, and you can see all my social media and the free trading community links. So that is it from me today, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll catch you tomorrow morning with the daily analysis. All right, see you guys. Mwah.